Detective Finn Tinnel with lesson on California Penal Code, Section 18710, possession of a destructive device. As explained in the jury instructions, Calcrim 2570, and the California Penal Code, to prove that the crook is guilty of this crime, we must show that 1. The defendant possessed a destructive device. 2. The defendant knew they possessed it. And 3. The defendant knew that what they possessed was a destructive device. Pursuant to California Penal Code Section 16460, destructive device includes any of the following weapons. 1. Any projectile containing any explosive or incendiary material or any other chemical substance, including, but not limited to, that which is commonly known as tracer or incendiary ammunition, except tracer ammunition manufactured for use in shotguns. 2. Any bomb, grenade, explosive missile, or similar device or any launching device therefore. A bomb is a device carrying an explosive charge fused to blow up or detonate under certain conditions. See People vs. Morse, 1992. 3. Any weapon of a caliber greater than .60 caliber which fires fixed ammunition, or any ammunition therefore, other than a shotgun smooth or rifled bore conforming to the definition of a destructive device, found in subsection B of Section 479 to 11 of Title 27 of the Code of Federal Regulations, shotgun ammunition, single projectile or shot, antique rifle, or an antique cannon. 4. Any rocket-propelled projectile or similar device of a diameter greater than .60 inch, or any launching device therefore, and any rocket-propelled projectile or similar device containing any explosive or incendiary material or any other chemical substance other than the propellant for that device, except those devices as are designed primarily for emergency or distress signaling purposes. 5. Any breakable container that contains a flammable liquid with a flash point of 150 degrees Fahrenheit or less and has a wick or similar device capable of being ignited, other than a device which is commercially manufactured primarily for the purpose of illumination. 6. Any sealed device containing dry ice, CO2, or other chemically reactive substances assembled for the purpose of causing an explosion by a chemical reaction. A person does not have to actually hold or touch something to possess it. It is enough if the person has control over it, or the right to control it either personally or through another person. California Penal Code Section 18715 prohibits recklessly or maliciously possessing an explosive or destructive device in a specified place defined as on a public street or highway, in or near a theater, hall, school, college, church, hotel, or other public building or private habitation, in, on, or near a plane, passenger train, car, cable road or cable car, boat carrying paying passengers, or in, on, or near another public place ordinarily passed by human beings. A person acts recklessly when 1. He or she is aware that his or her actions present a substantial and unjustifiable risk. 2. He or she ignores that risk. And 3. The person's behavior is grossly different from what a reasonable person would have done in the same situation. Someone acts maliciously when he or she intentionally does a wrongful act, or when he or she acts with the unlawful intent to annoy or injure someone else. Detective Finn Tinnel, and that was your lesson on California Penal Code Section 18710, possession of a destructive device.